hey bookies. Nah, I'm gonna show you how I did these nails. It was also a freestyle set because freestyle go. So right here, just doing the little prep, you know, I'm pushing back her cuticles, and hopefully I have it in this video, I'm not sure, but yes I do, here it is. I'm gonna clip her nails, clip her cuticles, pardon me. I'll push her cuticles back, clip her cuticles, then I'm going to file her nail bed. So in all honesty, I planned on doing a prep video separate and a basic full set video separate, but this was a short and easy freestyle only because she likes all of her nails to be this exact same style. So yeah, it was short and easy, literally a glitter French. So I just added the prep into it. So it's basically like a 2-for-1 special. I think, yeah, I just dehydrated, and this is primer. I forgot to add that I did shape the tips. As you can see, it's already buffed and ashy off camera. I don't really like filing on camera because it's just like my hands are just going back and forth in front of the camera. You can't even see it. So won't be filing off camera. I mean, will be filing, won't be filing on camera. The color that I'm using is a custom color, but y'all should know that by now if y'all follow me on IG at NailedbyNikk, no spaces, NailedbyNikk, and it's also in the description below all of my socials, so stay connected. But yeah, the acrylic that I'm using is my custom acrylic for my soon-to-be acrylic line. If I'm not lying, I believe this is Fave Nude Mid. So it's not the most favorite, and it's crazy because Fave Nude has just become the most favorite. Usually Fave Nude Mid was the most favorite, but like I said, it's not the most favorite anymore because of the viral reel. But yeah, this is Fave Nude Mid. And majority of her nails are going to be this color. I think this is the only one that I add glitter to. But yeah, Fave Nude Mid is the base for everything. Then I'll add glitter on top of this and then encapsulate it. But as for everything else, I'm going to draw the French on top. And then I'm going to add glitter on top. So the ring finger will be the only nail that is encapsulated with glitter. The others will have glitter added to the outside part of the French. So she'll be able to feel that glitter. Damn, I really just said mad much. Whew. Yes, so here's the glitter that I was talking about encapsulating before. It's honestly just the arts and craft glitter. It's just, I really don't even remember. It's probably like craft something, craft and something, whatever. If I remember, I'll link it in the video. If I don't remember, obviously it won't be in the video, so you'll see. I just added a bead of acrylic so that it can actually stick to the nail better than just putting just random glitter with no binding material to even stick it to the nail. Everything else is just a basic full set. Yo, I cannot. Y'all, these voiceovers, they not it. Not for me, at least. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't just vibe, twin. finally the encapsulation part, because once I get here I know that it's almost over. So this is just me putting clear acrylic on top of the nail and encapsulating so that when I file, the glitter will not file away. Just dusting the nails off and boom, like I said, shape gonna give every single time, period. And I'm not gonna file on camera because why? This is just matte top coat. I recently started doing this and I've always heard about it and I was like, it probably is gonna look bulky because I have multiple layers of top coat or multiple layers of gel polish, period. But the matte top coat is a better alternative than mixing acrylic powder with the gel to make it thicker so it doesn't run. Because what I realized is that mixing the acrylic powder with the gel polish makes it thicker so that the polish doesn't run while you draw designs. However, when you dry it, it does have a more textured feeling and I don't like that look because you can see the grains from the acrylic powder. So definitely polish matte top coat on your nails first and then draw on top of it. The polish holds on so much better. I kid you not. I'm not gonna say like it's the best thing because I feel like there should be something else that's even better to hold the polish, but as of right now it definitely is a game changer and it makes it easier to polish. So definitely take that tip into consideration. Matte top coat, then polish on top, period. A little sidebar, I had to zoom out just so y'all could see that the gel polish is dead not a real gel polish. It's definitely just a color that I mixed. I believe I used DC gel polish in Barbie pink, I think it is. And then I use Venalise. I never pronounced that word right. I don't even know. I think it's Venalise or Venalisa, something like that. It's a black and gold bottle and I use the color pure white. Obviously it's just white. So I mixed those two colors and I got this like Barbie bubblegum type of pink. Yes, so not gatekeeping, is dead ass not even a color for real. It's just dead ass a color that I made. Because everything that I use is basically stuff that I make. I don't know why I'm like this. And another sidebar, or subtopic sidebar, whatever y'all want to call it or how it's called. This is in real time. That goes to show you how quick this set was, because I think this video is going to be like 16 minutes, or it was 16 minutes before I actually edit it and take some last minute parts out. For this to be in real time and it's like 16 minutes, that goes to show you how short this video really is. That's why I had to just leave the prep and everything in there, because in all honesty, it's just the French and it's not that complicated for real. So yeah, this is real time. This part, me drawing the French, is real time and it's not sped up like at all. As a disclaimer, I feel like further down the line when this video does get at least some little views or whatever, somebody's gonna be like, oh, I thought you said like this polish wasn't a real polish. If you look at the bottle, it says pure white, so that means that my white polish was finishing and I just added the pink from the DC polish that I was talking about in this bottle just to make this pink color because it's that fire. Again, none of this is sped up, so you're seeing me in real time clean the smile lines and clean the edges of the nails. I do this just so the nail is not, you know, like when you dry excess polish on nails, there's kind of like a bubble because the polish like runs over a bit. If you know, you know. So I do that just to make sure that the nails seem more sharp. And this is the arts and craft glitter that I was talking about. You can find it at like Michael's, Drawn Fabric, those places. Or am I even allowed to say that? Like further down the line, they gonna need to pay me. But yeah, it's a regular arts and craft glitter, and then I pour it on top of the gel polish while it's still wet, dry it under the UV lamp, and then I brush it. Do not brush it before you put it under the UV lamp, because I said this the last time, you're going to waste your time. You're just gonna mess up everything. You're literally just gonna put polish and glitter on your duster brush and all over their nails and undo all of that French that you just drew. Right here, I'm just adding some Swarovskis, and you're gonna see me more than likely, I know I said this last time and I didn't even move it, but more than likely you're gonna see me move the gems around because maybe I don't like the size of a gem or something like that. But I believe I did in this one, yeah, because I don't know, I think I did. I'll see. If I did, you guys will be hearing this. If I don't, you guys won't be hearing this. Oh, and I did, like I said. And that's it for the gems. So now I'm just gonna add some rhinestone glue to the back of the cause charm and then add it on top of the nail, only because I feel like it's easier to add it to the back of the cause charm so that I know which parts of the nails are actually gonna touch, rather than just putting it on the nail and then the charm is either bigger or smaller than I expected, and then there will be no gem glue there to hold it down. I'm gonna go back in with that same polish mixture that I made and change the nose color so that it matches, and then I'm gonna add a little heart at the bottom just because why not, to blend everything back in, because the cause is not the exact same pink. So I just add those little finishing touches, glitter, then dry it. You can barely see the nose. I mean, it does match, but all that's left is to add some top coat. I'm glad you guys watched. If you guys watched till this point, thank you so much, and bye.